Hello high heels lovers and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the bell button so we always stay in touch. It's Ms.Killer Heels or Ellena, and I want to thank you for being my audience. I hope you had a great Valentine Day. Mine was nice as well, and now let's get straight to the point. Today I want to show you what I got myself for Valentine's Day. It is a pair of Jimmy Choo emblematic Anouk Pumps. The purpose is not to show off, but to do something different and be helpful and informative. I would like to unbox my gifts in front of you, make a review of these elegant babes inside, try them on for you and do a little walk. You know that I have a particular preferences on the style of the shoes, but I purposely avoid buying shoes from one and same brand. It's full with great shoes brands and I want to give all of them chances. Yeah, majority of them are Italian, but also French, American, British in this case. I like diversity when it comes to shoes, and I like my opinion for a particular brand to be based on my first-hand experience. Today, I would like my review to be more systematic, so it's easier for you to digest the information that I'm going to provide. I also want to mention that this is just an honest review. It's not a paid partnership. So let's get started with some facts. First of all, I don't know if you are aware, but Jimmy Choo is a Malaysian fashion designer of Chinese origin based in UK, and the brand has become known for its handmade women's shoes. The archetypal pointy-toe stiletto pump Anouk embodies the essence of Jimmy Choo, a timeless femininity combined with a powerful and sexy high impact. This model exudes elegance. Now let me open this pretty box and give you some specific details of this model. They come with the regular dust bag. As you can see, I pick a classic nude pair in patent leather. Honestly, I can say they are made of very stiff leather, much stiffer than most of my heels. This makes them pretty difficult to break in at first, but the leather does eventually break in a little bit and feel more comfortable. At the beginning, I had the feeling that no matter how many times you wear them, they are going to stay very stiff, especially in the toe box area. The leather feels pretty tough even at hand. As beautiful as the patent leather is, generally it's not very forgiving, and by that it means that these are not really going to stretch out. Now let me put them on for you guys. They are beautiful, no doubt. My toes are not really squished, but it's still not really comfy. If you have any wider of toes, these are going to be even more uncomfortable. The heel is 120 millimeters. It works perfectly for me. Those are 34.5 European size. I'm probably the person with the smallest feet in the world. You should go with a half size bigger, since the toe box is pretty narrow, as I said, so this is like half size bigger than I usually wear. Now I would like to do the following. I would like to compare these heels with other emblematic Louboutin heels, Pigalle. So let's do that, guys. Speaking of Louboutin, this is the toe box comparison between these two models side by side. As you can see, there is a difference here. It ends up that Anouk has a narrower and a little longer toe box comparing to Pigalle. I generally don't mind a longer pointed toe look, and if you don't mind it either, these are definitely a statement making shoes that you will love and wear a lot. The pitch of heels is also different than Louboutin. I have a feeling that the ball of the foot actually hits further back in this as in the loops. Also, as you can see, the heel of Jimmy Choo model is thinner, which I prefer. The vamp of the Anouk seems to be cut a bit higher of the sides than it is in the Pigalle. However, I can't say one is more comfortable over the other just based on these facts. I originally bought those because I wanted to try another brand of pointed toe pumps similar to Louboutin, and I needed a nude color shoes for work. Let's be honest, Louboutin is way more flashy than Jimmy Choo because of the red buttons. If you're not into flashy brands and you are looking for something more suitable for work and other places which are super professional, then go for Jimmy Choo. From the outside looking in, it's not really obvious this is an expensive Jimmy Choo model, especially when you get them in a classy color as in this case. The other advantage over Louboutin is that they have a plain bottom which gets scuffed very easily. The Jimmy Choo do get scuffed as well, but since it is a plain bottom, so it doesn't really matter. If the scratches of the bottom will be bothering you, you better go with this model. Summarized, I think that I covered the major bases for this model. I hope I help you make an informed decision if you're considering purchasing the Jimmy Choo. Depending on what your lifestyle is and where you plan to wear them, that will determine the model you should buy. If you like something that is more under the radar, then my recommendation will be to go with the Jimmy Choo. I personally don't like to hear someone's advices if the heels are comfortable or not. It's so individual, guys, and depends on so many factors. So again, my recommendation will be to go to the store, try them on, even buy them, wear them for some time at home, and keep them or return if just doesn't feel right. Or you can just purchase them online and do the same. This is the right moment to quote Sofia Vergara, who is also a huge high heels lover, and says, "I will hate for someone to look at my shoes and says, oh my god, that look so comfortable." So that's not what I want to project. Life is short, don't wear comfortable shoes, wear sexy shoes. Please like my video and let me know your thoughts or questions. Maybe I'll be glad to guide you in the wonderful world of high heels. Till the next time, your super fashion and high heels expert, Ms.Killer Heels or Ellena. Bye bye babes, hasta la próxima vez. Besos, kisses, I love you.